Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to hide all desktop icons just by double clicking the left mouse button in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on my desktop screen, I have some folder as well as the document icons. So in order to hide all desktop icons just by double clicking the left mouse button, what you need to do is just open any web browser. And the Google search for one application named as Desktop Icon Toggle by Hex and Cube. On the first list, you'll see its developer website. Just click on it. Now, on the right side, you will see here releases. Just click on it. Now, you will see here .exe, .zip as well as a .zip file. So here, I'm going to download the third file. You can download any one of this. So finally, the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Let's just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you will see here two files, desktop icon portable and desktop icon. So you can double left click either one of this. So I'm going to use the portable version. So just click on this taskbar tray menu icon. And now you'll see here desktop icon toggle application is showing up. That means it is enabled. So now if I double left click on my computer mouse, you can see all the desktop icons get hidden. So if I want to unhide it again, just double left click again. Then it will show up all the desktop icons. So by using this cool application, you can easily hide all desktop icons just by double clicking the left mouse button in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.